If you want to sing along, you know any of it, please do. Secondly, if you want to like scrap all the chairs and dance. Alright, we good? Good.
Give me a line, make it easy for me. Open your arms and dance with me until I feel alright.
Or clap, that's good. Clapping, yeah.
It's good in the dark, it's good in the dark, but into the lover's light, here comes another fight. So ring the alarm, hold me and bore me into my arms, here it comes. What you're asking me now, disasters now. Hoping and hoping and hoping the feeling goes away. But never change, never change, never change, never change, never change, never change, never change. This is why I fell in love. Never change, never change, never change, never change, never change, never change, never change. It's just who I fell in love with. And this is the time, the very best time, to give me a line and take me home. Dashing the hopes, smashing the hopes, crashing the pride. The morning's got you on the road. But love is a murderer, love is a murderer. But if she calls you tonight, everything's alright. Yeah, we know. fall in
The Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit walk into a bar, and the Father says, "Can I get 2 pints, please?" And the barman says, "Nothing for the Son." And the Father said, "No, he's just an anthropomorphic manifestation of a conceptual entity." And the barman goes, "So an orange juice?" And he goes, "Yeah." Can I tighten this? It's gone away from me a lot. Let me stop this.
I'll give you a few lessons.
I don't think this is wrong. What are we doing next?
Someone great?
Oh yeah.
Sounds good.
Right.
Decent.
that too loud? Is this too loud? Is this too loud? I got a fever.
More cowbell.
And the only medicine is show him the thing. Show him the thing.
What a surprise.
More cowbell. Can I turn this off just so I can put it down?
Yeah.
Move it. Bring it.
Twist the thing. Twist the thing. Twist the thing. On the bottom thing. Twist the top thing on the top.
Thing near the other thing.
Nope, other thing. Twist the other thing. Down. Twist that. Nope. Pull it up.
Your other left.
Pull it up.
No, this is fine. No, this is fine. We're going to ask for a little bit of audience participation in this one.
Oh, very good.
Don't know that one yet.
Okay. When I go, ooh, you got no. Okay, so I'm looking for you. Wait, that's not it. I'm using full chorus. Okay, hang on, I'm ready. And then the second part. Got it. Let's try it again. That's fine. Is that fast enough?
From your